Sri Kurubi Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Now we are going to see the continuation of the lesson, our body, a living machine, the topic, all the organ system, the part 2. Already we have learnt about respiratory system, digestive system. Now we are going to learn about the circulatory systems. To this, which part is related to the system? No, our heart. For the respiratory system, lungs. For the digestive system, stomach and intestines. And for the circulatory system, which organ helps to do this function? No, our heart. The heart, the blood and the blood vessels. So, this makes the circulatory system in our body. The heart, what is the function heart doing? No, it pumps the blood. Heart pumps the blood to different parts of the body through the small and big blood vessels. It contains a blood vessels. No, with the help of the blood vessels, when it pumps it, what it doing? It supplies the fresh, pure, oxygen-rich blood to the other parts of the body. The blood takes digested food and oxygen to all parts of the body. When heart does the function of pumping, no, so it takes the food and oxygen and supplies to the other parts. So it has the blue, it represented by the blue and red, no, which means blue represents the impure blood. Okay, that impure blood, it goes into the heart is divided into two half, first half, second, okay, left side and right side. So from one side it receives the impure blood, to the other side it will supplies after purified, it supplies the oxygen, pure rich oxygen to the other parts of the body. This is how the heart is doing the circulatory system in our body. So the blood takes the digestive food and oxygen to all parts of the body. Also it collects the waste, not only supplying and also collecting the waste from all the parts of our body. So this is how the heart is doing function, supplying the good oxygen and receiving the waste material from the other parts of the body. Okay, now we are going to see the next system is nervous systems. So this system consists of brain, spinal cord and the nerves. Okay, so now to the nervous system, what are the parts which are helping to make a nervous system? No, brain, spinal cord and the nerves. So here the brain and here the spinal cord, and completely connected, all the organ part is connected on each other with the nerves. So all these makes the nervous system completely working together. The nervous system controls all our actions. So all the, okay, our hand, our legs, our other parts, all the parts of our body is connected through the nerves. How the wire is giving connection to all the appliances, then through the wire connection, all the mechanical instruments are working. No, likewise. Here all the parts of the body is connected through the nerves, so that it controls all our action like seeing, hearing, walking and learning. Whatever the work we are doing, all these are all these processings controlling only by our nervous systems. Okay, nervous system when help us to me, I can stand, I can sit, I can look around everything, so I can write, I can read. All this is functioning, is controlled only by our nervous systems. Sometimes when we feel tense, so our nerve, sometimes we feel happy. So all these, our happiness, our sadness, our tension, all this is we can show through our nervous systems. Okay, next particle we are going to learn about system is skeletal system. Actually, our body, look at the skeletal system which made with the bones. Okay, just imagine if you don't have a bone, how would be our appearance? No, see, look at this. This is how we would have our appearance, which means the skeletal system give us the shape and supporting us to for stand, sit, walk, and to move everywhere. The skeletal system is supporting. So, what is skeletal system? No, the bones, the framework of bones. Framework of bones we can call make together called as a skeletal systems. So how our skeletal system is helping us? No, it's supporting us. It gives the shape, structure, and to do function or to for movement for all our work activities. Our skeletal system is giving us a good support. Our body is made up of 206 bones completely. The adult human body completely made with the number of bones are 206. In that some may big or small, so depends on the place which is present. It interlock each other and gives a support for us. These bones are joined together and makes the skeletal system. So these 200 bones joined together and working like a skeletal system. So what is the function? As I told you, it gives a shape and gives support to our body and strengthening our body. Like 3 years, shape, support, and gives strength also. So this is given only by our skeletal system. So we can walk, stand, and move because our bones. Also our bones protecting. Okay. We are having internal organs, so all the organs are doing function by involuntarily, which means not without our control. Our heart is continuously beating then the blood circulation is taking place. So all the internal function is taking place. No, so it has to be protected. That protection is given by only our skeletal systems. So our bones protect all the soft organs. Our body like heart, lungs, and brain. So protection, giving shape and supporting us, giving strength, all this is taking only care by our skeletal systems. Then muscular systems. We are going to learn about the muscular systems. So we have learned respiratory, digestive, circulatory, skeletal. Now our muscular systems. See, this is how the muscles. Just imagine if you don't have a skin, this is the appearance we will have through the muscles. Okay, the muscles also helping us. How the skeletal system supporting us. The same way the muscles or system also muscular system also supporting us. Our muscles along with the bones help the body and its parts to move. See, we can stretch. Okay, muscles can stretch, can contract, expansion depends on our movement. When we sit, it can contract. When we stand, it can make them relax and stretches and supporting. It is attached with the bones by a tissue called ligaments. So, with the help of the muscles, we can make the bone to move also. So it helps completely. It helps our body, which means the internal all the organs are protected by skeleton. No, so that skeleton also make to move with the help of the muscles. So our muscles along with the bones, it helps the body and parts to move. So for all our movement, muscles also giving support for us. Then the last important system, which it is most important necessary to our body, eliminating all the waste materials. We are drinking, we are eating in a day, morning, afternoon and night. In between some extra food also we are eating. So all the food also will have some unwanted things. That unwanted things should be eliminated out. That is taken care by our excretory system. The waste in the body has to be removed. Not only weekly once or not 2 days once, it should be removed regularly. That waste, it should be removed regularly for the body to work smoothly. So to remove the waste, what are the organs are helping? No, kidneys. Kidneys, skin, lungs. Removing work is doing by this part of kidneys, skin, lungs. Kidneys removing the urine, unwanted water which is present in our body, it is removing by the organ of kidney. And the sweating, salt water is removing out through us, sweating, that is taken care by the skin. Then lungs is removing the unwanted gas of carbon dioxide. This is how the excretory system is functioning in our body. Then the most important, the life on earth should be continued. After generation to our next generation, it should be continued. That will be continued only by the system of reproductive. The organs of this system help to produce babies. Because of the system, life on earth goes on. So when the reproductive system taking place only, there will be a life on earth. If this system is not functioning, no life on the earth. So for to life on earth is possible, only the reproductive system is taking place by the human body. Thank you children. We'll see you on next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates.